ikwetere onwe gị ebe ị nọ kịta ikwetere onwe gị enyere onwe gị advice ga help gị you went and start believing Gehgeh. Yes, something advice ikwetere na onwe gị enyere onwe gị advice no onye mara from anywhere yenye gị advice ikwete. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BBI channel 1 Plus. I'm your girl Bella, and on this episode of Palava, I like it. I like as this thing too. Make you where they take advice from people anyhow. I'm making a reference on the video of this Gehgeh guy that was controlling most of Nigerian young men and telling them how to treat their girlfriend and how to treat their wife. That you should not give your wife money. You know, one pastor said that anybody listening to Gehgeh is a poor person. But most times, it's not only the poor people that were listening to him. At a point, a lot of following. He even bought Benz. He made a lot of money out of this thing. He was like on a bad mouth to women. As I'm doing this thing, I will show you videos and pictures of this guy. Oh, you look neka boxers. Ona amoyali kosa chakeleke na agwage. If you get men in your relationship,
Gehgeh married, bro na juju. That woman do juju on me. Mona cash me well, hold me. Mona hold me, tie me, carry me go selection. Me the floor case come off my head. That juju that woman use on me. They need to clear that juju come off from my eye.
Do you know another thing? I'm happy somehow that Neha Amen. Do you know why? A lot of people will learn a lesson, learn a thing or two where this guy is, because all go see now give you advice from somebody. Of course, because somebody you not be taking advice from onye namaro. Eda fear anya no or every day fear. You don't know his girlfriend. You don't see him from time to time. No, from his video, he go do video. He will laugh. Do you know the Ihenati behind those laughs? Because he know that he's lying. Because he know that he's not telling people the truth. And he's making a lot of money from this thing. And he made so much money. He bought himself a Mercedes-Benz, built a house from giving bad advice. You can imagine. This guy, in everything, he needs to be arrested. Because he with deceit. Do you know, some people are like that too. Some people are like that. Some people you go for confidence to tell them about your relationship, one thing or the other about your relationship. They don't want you to. They are using you to shine. And you will be mumu. You can imagine. Some people had 4-year relationship, 2-year relationship that they already invested in emotionally. Nobody say, forget money, forget everything. You know how you start loving somebody, start putting in work in your relationship. Malu, where you don't know from Adam, somebody that you don't know from anywhere will start telling you, you should not give your girl money. You should not open business for your woman. That if you open business for your woman, he's there to rip you apart. He's not, somehow. Oh, when did they bad? But you that know that your relationship is yielding something, you went and start believing. Oh, when no one. Do you know why? Some people felt that is not even the truth. That is AI. Some people still believe in their heart of mumu that is AI. And he came and started telling people that if ever people see him getting married, that people should know that he's not serious.
Gehgeh married, bro na juju. That woman do juju on me. Mona cash me well, hold me. Mona hold me, tie me, carry me go selection. Me the floor case come off my head. That juju that woman use on me. They need to clear that juju come off from my eye.
O mese no nwanye. O di ka ewu ino do na abosa family gi wicked. Ijide nwunye gi na echi onu na. Ijide mo a lot of people even extend their meanness and their wickedness to the children. Some people go as far as giving their woman 200,000, 100,000 to cook for a month, a family of 4. Once he's 40, 30, 35 years, either no obesity or diabetes, because you don't have sense. Because if you have sense, you will know that you will treat your world that your family is your world, that your home is your home. Your home is not Nigeria or economy. Your home is not Anambra State or Enugu or Lagos State. Your home is your world. And what you invest, what you put in, you will see them. So that's why a lot of people, high blood pressure and cholesterol, obesity, diabetes, because they are managing. Keep managing. That's it from here. So however you feel, if you don't know what to do, take advice from EU. Start taking advice from the mumu that you see in the street, just because you want to have sense and you want to wicked your woman. However you feel about this video, please leave your comments on the comment section, because palaver, they finish. Some people have started loving their woman because of this thing. Now but Gehgeh, just believe say that your wife where you keep for house, boys go chop am. I get me a tata. Her leg, they go spread and wide. However you feel, leave your comments on the comment section. I'm your girl, Bella.